वेलकम टू कहानी टाइम। आज की स्टोरी है श्रृंगेरी श्रीनिवास लर्न्स टू लाफ। Sringeri Srinivas was a good farmer. He grew the best bananas, which made the best banana halwa. But he also had the scariest frown in the world. वो हमेशा मुंह बनाए रहता था, जिसको देख के हर कोई डर जाता था. When he was angry, his forehead became full of deep lines. His nose became red. His eyes became very sharp. When Sringeri Srinivas frowned यानी गुस्सा होना, मुंह बनाना. When Sringeri Srinivas frowned, everyone ran away from him. His wife, his children, and his friends tried to hide. सब छुप जाते थे. His cows and his dog ran away. Even the crows in the field flew away when Sringeri Srinivas frowned. And Sringeri Srinivas frowned often when his crops were not growing well, when his barber had no time to cut his hair, when the TV did not work, and so on and on. One day, Sringeri Srinivas into his field to look at his banana harvest. He was in a bad mood. No one knew why. He walked quickly to his biggest banana plant, जहाँ बहुत बड़ा bunch लगा हुआ था. There was a big bunch of lovely fruit. Soon he had begun to make his famous banana halwa. His frown changed into a smile. Just then, a troop of monkeys came swinging from a tree nearby. Troop of monkeys, monkey के group को क्या कहते हैं? Troop of monkeys came. The biggest one, with a fiery red bottom, jumped exactly onto the plant that Sringeri Srinivas was looking at proudly. This made him frown again. उसे बहुत गुस्सा आया. His frown grew and grew. It was his biggest frown ever. It began from his forehead and spread right to his toes. The monkeys, with his own nasty temper, was surprised. He had never seen a frown like that. He dropped a half peeled banana on the ground. Then he dropped a few more. Quickly he jumped to the next plant, and then the next. Soon he was far away and safe from the frown. Sringeri Srinivas saw the monkey leap from one plant to plant. ही चेज द मंकी, वो भी मंकी के पीछे भागने लगा. उसे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था. ही वॉन्टेड टू टीच द मंकी अ लेसन. ऑन द वे ही स्लिप्ड ऑन अ बनाना पील. जो मंकी ने बनाना पील फेंका था, उस पे उसका पैर फिसल गया. Swoosh! He went down, and his chappals got stuck in the mud. Sringeri Srinivas sat up and tried to chase the monkey again. So he slipped again. This time he fell with his face down. Somehow he managed to sit up again, his mouth full of leaves and mud and twigs. पूरा ही मिट्टी मिट्टी हो गया था. When he looked up, the monkeys had gone. Monkeys भाग गए थे. श्रृंगेरी श्रीनिवास looked down at himself. उसने अपने को देखा. पूरे में मिट्टी लगी हुई थी. His nice shirt was brown. His hands were dirty and scratched. He could not even find his own legs. They were all mixed up in the soil. Suddenly, he realized that he looked very funny. Sringeri Srinivas, the famous farmer. He was now sitting all by himself on a pile of leaves. वो उठ के बैठा पूरी वही मिट्टी वाली जगह में जहाँ मिट्टी लीफ बनाना सब पड़े हुए थे. It was all very funny. And Sringeri Srinivas began to laugh. It was a little laugh at first. Hee hee. Then it became bigger. Ha 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 ha. The more he laughed, the more Sringeri Srinivas wanted to laugh. अब उसको हंसी आना शुरू हो गई अपने को देख के, और जितना वो हंसे उतना और हंसी आने लगी. The laugh grew bigger. Ha 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 ha